Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and I have let me turn this volume down. I have a brand new emergency radio from IRONSNOW. They have been supporting my channel for years, and this is a brand new radio they put on the market. It's a digital display. Show it to you up close there. Nice bright display. AM, FM, shortwave, NOAA with NOAA weather alerts. It's got a flashlight, multi-mode, bright, dim, all three lights on, crank charging, telescopic antenna. It's it's over 2 feet long, and it swivels in all directions. Does not have a kickstand. Solar charging panel right there, so you can charge it either the crank charge, the solar panel, or a USB connector on the side here. Here are the buttons. This is the band select. This is to turn on NOAA alerts, tuning up and down, volume up and down, SOS via the light and signal, power. This is the battery condition. It's all bars right now. I just charged it, and whether the tuning is locked in or not. Nice quality radio. Plastic's real nice, carrying strap. And then here we have number one. It's bright orange, so you can help you find the radio. And then behind here, if I can get my fingernail under it. Sorry. Okay, clumsy. There we go. There are the ports for USB out to charge your cell phone from the built-in battery. The battery is 4,500 milliamp hours. And then there's the charging port, USB charging port right there. Earphone jack right there. And this seals it because it is waterproof. Little tiny carrying strap. There's the crank charge. Let's go to AM. FM. Let's go to FM instead. All right. And then we can tune manually. I'll turn the volume up. I got to go watch out for music though. There's the volume indicator. And you can push and hold tune, and it will find the next strong signal. Almost dropped it. There we go. And there it is. That light is indicating that it's got a good, strong signal. Okay, let's go to AM band. Get away from that music. And it wants me to point the radio that way, of course. And you can do auto scan. There we go. Push it again. It does not have any storage, memory storage. Yep, that's music. We don't want that. Lots of volume, very clear. I love that the new technology has been very successful at coming up with tiny radios tiny speakers that sound good. I mean, very good. This is a nice looking radio. I think it comes in 2 colors. Again, you can get this off of Amazon. Right now, it's $29.95. It does occasionally go on sale. lots of light from these lamps here. Really bright. Thanks for watching. And I want to thank IRONSNOW for providing these radios for me to show you and to do a review of them. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.